Hi everyone, so today we are going to learn our tenses in English. We will learn all types of tenses in a very simple way. So let us start.
First, what do you mean by tenses? Tenses are the thing which tells us about time. When the time is gonna happen. If we say past, if we say future, and if we say present, which are the किसके पार्ट हैं ये सब? ये सारे पार्ट हैं हमारे टेंसेस के. किसके पार्ट है? टेंसेस के पार्ट है. मोर ओवर जो कि टेंसेस हैं ये जो पार्ट होते हैं ये भी हमारे 4 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड होते हैं which we will discuss later. But for now what we have is future, which tells us about we usually use will. In this we use the earlier thing ऐसे as a simple मतलब जो फ्यूचर में होने वाली है, the thing which is gonna happen. A present, the thing which is taking place right now, and the past which was happening, जो कि happen हुआ था, which had happened. The past बीता हुआ, future आने वाला, present जो हो रहा हो. So now we will study about their types. So we see that tenses we are doing tells us about what it us about time. What it tells us about time. किसके बारे में बताता है? It tells us about time. Okay. So now we will study these types in 4 different parts. अब कैसे? Tells us about time. ठीक है? हमने लिया past, present, future. So now अब इसको रख कर दो. अब ये 4 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड होते हैं. Simple, continuous, perfect continuous, alright. Then here we have our past in this column. This column we have our past. In this column we have our present, and in this column we have our future. Okay, so past simple. Let me just divide this also. This table will help you to learn the tenses in an easy way. Alright, so first simple. What past simple में होता क्या है? Past simple में अभी now I am only telling the rules, and later on I will also tell the example. Past simple says subject plus what? Plus verb second form or e or es. Verb second form or e or es. यानी if I say subject plus verb second form or plus e or es and then object verb, तो हमारी फुल एड हो जाएगी और एन ऑब्जेक्ट. and later on I will also show you a proper formation of the sentence. Now present. So let's complete first past, then we will come to our present. Past continuously. Past continuous we have was, were plus verb first form plus ing. Alright, was, were plus first form plus ing, perfect. Had plus verb third form. Perfect continuous. Had been plus verb third form plus ing, and in this simple present we have verb first form. इसमें es और es नहीं होता, ये हमारा इसमें सिर्फ हमारा जो सेकेंड फॉर्म होती है और इसमें वो फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस ई और es होता है. अंडरस्टूड? देन वी हैव अ कॉन्टिन्यूस is m r plus verb first form plus ing. Perfect. Has, have plus verb third form. Perfect continuous. Have been plus verb first form, the first form यहाँ पे plus ing, plus ing. Then future, what we have in future is will, shall and first form. Will, shall, first form. Continuous will be plus verb first form plus ing. Perfect. Will have plus verb third form. Will have been plus verb first form plus ing. So this is our rules. I know because it's getting congested due to the lack of space, but right now what we will do is to just read them in present. And I mean first we are doing past. So in tenses we first have our past. Past is said can be broadly divided into four. Simple. In past simple. In past simple we have subject plus verb second form plus object. ठीक है? For example, I sang a song. I will write it properly. I sang a song. Alright. Then in continuous, past continuous, we have in past continuous we have subject plus was what plus verb first form plus ing plus object. Means in sentence formation मैं लिखूंगी the child, let us say Rashi was playing in the garden. So here was playing is our tense. It is our past continuous. Then we come to past perfect. What? Past perfect जिसका रूल बोलता है head plus subject plus head plus verb third form plus object. यानी I had completed my work. So here I had completed is our tense. It is our past perfect tense. Then we come to past continuous. मतलब past perfect continuous. Past perfect continuous says subject plus had plus been plus first form plus ing is our rule. If I will use in sentence, it should be the child had been playing in the garden garden since if you want you can add since yesterday, or if you don't want to add since, that is also okay. Then after past we have our present. After past we have our present. In present is also divided into our 4 parts. First is our simple. सिंपल में क्या होता है, वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस ई और ई एस, यानी हम वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म यूज करते हैं अगर हमारा फर्स्ट पर्सन और वर्ब की साथ ई एस फर्स्ट पर्सन और सेकेंड पर्सन हो. अगर हमारा वर्ब के साथ ई और ई एस हो तो हम मतलब यूज करते हैं थर्ड पर्सन. इसमें हम फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड पर्सन यूज करते हैं, इसमें हम थर्ड पर्सन यूज करते हैं. अगर आपको पता होता है कि थर्ड पर्सन तो इट्स ओके, बट इट्स फॉर दोज हु डोंट नो व्हाट इज फर्स्ट पर्सन. सो वी हैव हियर पर्सन्स, हियर वी हैव एग्जाम्पल्स. ये हमारा पर्सन्स में फर्स्ट पर्सन, सेकेंड पर्सन, थर्ड पर्सन, यानी फर्स्ट पर्सन सेकेंड पर्सन. फर्स्ट पर्सन में आई, वी, अस, ओके. सेकेंड पर्सन में यू, एक्सेट्रा भी हो सकते हैं, आवर सेल्फ, माई सेल्फ, तो ये सारे फर्स्ट में आता है. थर्ड में हमारा ही, शी, इट, दे, एक्सेट्रा, ये हमारे सारे कब कहाँ पे आते हैं, ये हमारे सारे थर्ड पर्सन में आते हैं. नाउ अब हमारे पास जो है वो है कैसे अप्लाई करेंगे. अब फॉर एग्जाम्पल ध्यान से देखिएगा, आई है तो हमें सबको पता है कि फर्स्ट पर्सन में हमारा आई आता है, आई, और हमारे क्या आता है फर्स्ट पर्सन में आई डू नॉट वांट टू डू माई वर्क. तो ये हमारा डू है जो कि क्या है फर्स्ट फॉर्म है, फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब है. जैसे डेड हो गया तो ये हमारा डू है, डू. फॉर अगर यदि हम शी ले लें, अगर मैं फॉर योर काइंड इंफॉर्मेशन, ये हमारा नेगेटिव है. क्या है ये हमारा नेगेटिव सेंटेंस है. अगर आप अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस में चाहते हैं इसको तो आप इसको अफर्मेटिव में भी कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं, नॉट हटा के, नॉट हटा के. देन अब हम बात करते हैं इसी पर्सन में थर्ड पर्सन की बात में, जो कि इंग्लिश है. शी डजंट वांट टू टू के साथ हमेशा डू आता है, मतलब अगर हम फर्स्ट फॉर्म देखा जाए तो डू ही आता है. देन शी डजंट वांट टू डू हर वर्क, सो शी डज. अब शी के साथ हमारे क्या आता है, डज आता है. सो फ्रॉम दिस वी अंडरस्टैंड दैट ऑलवेज विथ फर्स्ट पर्सन वी हैव डू, और not. And with third person we always have does or does. Alright, now simple हो गया. Let's talk about simple. After simple we will gonna talk about continuous. In continuous, the rule says subject plus is am, are plus verb first form plus ing plus object. Okay. So here in this we have continuous. For example, I am doing my work. Okay, I am playing with my toy. Toy is also correct. So I am playing. I am doing is the first form of the verb. किसके साथ? ing के साथ m. अगर नहीं हमारा हो जाता, अगर इसकी जगह m की जगह हमारा ये हमारा फर्स्ट पर्सन के बारे में था. सेकेंड पर्सन she. अब इस दौरान डिपेंड करता है व्हाट वी आर यूजिंग. अब थर्ड पर्सन में भी हमारे डिवाइड होते हैं, हर में होते हैं. जैसे आई हमारा फर्स्ट पर्सन में सिंगुलर होता है, प्लूरल होता है. भले ही आई हमारा एक पर्सन हो, पर इट इज़ ऑलवेज कंसीडर्ड एज अ प्लूरल. सो अगर हम देखें तो उसमें वी क्या है? वी भी प्लूरल है और आई भी प्लूरल, दोनों प्लूरल है. अब अगर हम देखें ही शी इट दे, ही शी ये हमारे क्या है? सिंगुलर है, तो इनके साथ इज लगेगा. ही इज डूइंग his work. He is playing with his mobile. He is checking his bag. तो what is the verb? इसके साथ इस एम आर के साथ हमने इज लिया है प्लस वो फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस ing जा है. अब आर के दे आर प्लेइंग इन द गार्डन. सो हियर वर्ब के फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस ing. सो कंटिन्यूअस डन. देन वी हैव आर परफेक्ट. Present perfect. Present perfect says has, have plus verb third form. यानी subject plus has है plus verb third form plus object. शुरू में subject plus has है. So for example, I have completed my homework. So completed verb की third form हो गई. I have. As I said that I is a plural pronoun. So here have हमारा क्या है? तो have भी हमारे plural के साथ होता है. तो I have completed my homework. अब has. She has completed her homework. So here what we are using? Has. तो वो completed. She has sung. She has sung the song. She has sung the song. Was sing, sang, sung. तो has and verb की third form. She has sung the song. She has sung the song. ठीक है. Then next we are talking about is our perfect continuous. What we are gonna talk about is a perfect continuous. So perfect continuous में होता क्या है? Perfect continuous में वो जो हमारा has और have होता है उनके साथ हमारा being लग जाता है. Has, have plus being plus वो first form plus ing. Has, have, been plus first form plus ing. Present ही है हमारा. We are only doing the present right now. हमने प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस कर रहे थे, कॉन्टिन्यूस कर रहे थे. सो वर्ब थर्ड फॉर्म. सो शी प्रेजेंट हैज हैव प्लस ये हमारा परफेक्ट फॉर्म है. वो परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस है हैज हैव ing will be यार. For example, she has been playing in the garden since the morning. She has been studying since 5 o'clock. So what is it? It is a present continuous. Then let's come to our future. कहाँ आते हैं? We are going to come to our future. In future, broadly divided into that only simple, which is very much simple. Will plus verb first form. Shall is also there, but I shall go to the garden. But it's not very convenient to use it right now, so I will go to the garden. Is suitable one. So simple. Then continuous will be plus verb first form plus ing. She will be going to her grandmother's house. So this is our continuous group. Then as a perfect we have perfect. In perfect we have will have plus verb third form. Remember to learn the table which I told you in the beginning. Will have plus verb third form. She will have to sing a song. She will have completed her work. She will have completed her work as the indicator. So she will have completed her work. Then we have perfect continuous which says will have been plus verb first form plus ing. She will have been going to the park. She will have been completed her homework. She will have been completing her homework. वो complete करने वाली होगी अपने homework. So here are tenses and so the quick revision. The dust went in my eyes. So tenses we have done. We have divided the tenses into 4 parts: past, present, future. Then these tenses are divided into 4 parts which are simple, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. So thanks for watching this guys. So today let's end our video here and I will continue the other video in the other session. So let's end it for today. Thank you for watching.